This is the Allen key wrench set thing that I picked up from the Amazon team. I was looking for an Allen key, a very small one, and I realised I'd accidentally thrown it away. So I thought, you know what, I'm just going to get something like this, and this is really cool. And the way it works is you've got all your different Allen keys there, and you just pull up the one that you really like the look of, or one that you need, and you use it like that, and you can just slide it right back. And then there's other ones on that side as well. Really cool, kind of like a Swiss Army knife, but for Allen keys. And you've got your size guides there, so you know what you got if you're looking for something specific. And it also does, if you can pick it up on the camera, has the size information on there as well. And I believe you can also use the ends there as a bottle opener. It's going to be super handy if you like to do a bit of DIY. We do a lot of build your own flat packs here. That's going to be super handy. It feels really nice and robust. They don't feel like they're going to snap or anything like that. They feel like a standard set of Allen keys, but just really nicely put together conveniently, so you're not going to lose them, which is what we typically do.